Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm back. Pasensya na po kayo. It took me so long to post another video, especially about our upcoming trainings. We have been very busy in the agency filling some roles. But as promised, we are going to offer a free webinar and online training this month. Do you know that one of the in-demand skills right now in the online job or remote job industry is recruiting? In Upwork, as of today, there are 1,962 open jobs for this role. In onlinejobs.ph, there are 127 at the moment when I did a quick search. And these are some of the jobs that if you do have the knowledge and skills listed here, you can immediately apply to them. For those who do not know me yet, my name is Maya. I have an agency, C-Force Business and People Solutions in Australia, that provides remote Filipino workers to clients all over the world. And I've been doing this for 15 years. And I'm here to share with you my experience and knowledge in this industry. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated in the remote or online job world. Curious on how to become a remote recruiter or virtual recruiter? Join our free webinar with basic training. Yes, you heard that right. It's a free webinar with basic training. So this is not just an introduction on how to be a remote recruiter or virtual recruiter. There will be a demonstration and a sample task for you to do. Dito pa lang, you will have an idea if this is something that you would like to do in the online job world and make this a career or not. And to those who do not know my background yet, I started in the online job world as a virtual recruiter for a client in the US in 2005. And then I joined different types of companies as a recruiter. So this has become my niche. And I can now say that I am a recruitment industry specialist, offshore staff provider in Australia. Because this has been what I've been focusing on for many years. Now, who can be a recruiter? Anyone who has the passion to make a difference by providing opportunities to others. Anyone who would like to meet other people from different walks of life. And then anyone who finds joy in helping clients grow their businesses and helping candidates succeed in their careers. Although it's an advantage, you don't need to have an HR background to become a recruiter. If you want a career shift, this could also be for you. So if you are, for example, you are in the IT industry, you can become a technology or IT recruiter. If you are a nurse or someone who has a medical background, you can become a healthcare recruiter. Did you work in construction or similar industry? You can work as a labor hire or construction recruiter. And if you have knowledge in hospitality, if you have worked in hotels or restaurants, why not become a hospitality recruiter? Those who have attended or watched my trainings about lead generation or appointment setting, you will be able to apply those skills in this job. So if you have gained experience in lead generation or appointment setting, you may want to consider becoming a remote recruiter or virtual recruiter and earn more money while working from home. The webinar or basic training will be next week, Wednesday, 23rd of June 2021 at 1 p.m. Philippine time. Again, it will be next week, Wednesday, 23rd of June 2021 at 1 p.m. Philippine time. Those who would like to join us live, please register through the link in the description below or above this video. We can only accommodate 50 participants. So if you are interested in knowing more about being a remote or virtual recruiter, register now and I'll see you next week.